Prerequisites. Following the essential prerequisites and information you need to know about using anynode with Zoom Phone Premise Peering. Completing the prerequisites and planning for Zoom Phone Premise Peering as described in the vendor's documentation Zoom Phone Premise Peering Solution Reference Guide. A SIP trunk and SIP group with referenced users in Zoom Phone and the required configuration and connection to anynode. A public and reachable IP address and public DNS entry with proper mapping for the anynode server. A public trust certificate is needed for communication between anynode and Zoom Phone Premise Peering. Configure appropriate firewall rules for the SIP, TLS, DNS, and media connectivity. Use an anynode installation utilizing the Zoom certified version 4.6 or higher for Zoom Phone Premise Peering. Appropriate network access, network routing, and administration rights. Accessible and pre-configured voice over IP environment. Voice over IP credentials for the involved nodes to permit necessary configurations. A fully functional anynode production or trial license.